Welcome to our instructional video on decorating blue kitchen cupboards. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of transforming your kitchen by utilizing various components. Let's get started. First, let's focus on the upper cabinet doors. To add a touch of elegance, consider replacing the existing doors with glass inserts. This will allow you to display your favorite dishes and add visual interest to your cupboards. Moving on to the lower cabinet doors, if you desire a sleek and modern look, opt for handleless doors. This minimalist approach can create a clean and uninterrupted aesthetic. Alternatively, you can choose cabinet handles or pulls that complement the overall style of your kitchen. The cabinet frames provide the foundation for your cupboards. If you want to add a pop of color, consider painting them in a contrasting shade or simply refreshing their existing color. This can instantly transform the look and feel of your kitchen. Cabinet shelves are not only functional but also an opportunity for decorative displays. Consider adding open shelves to showcase your collection of colorful plates or stylish kitchen accessories. This will add personality and create a focal point within your cupboards. To enhance the visual appeal of your drawers, update the drawer fronts with new designs or finishes. Additionally, ensure that the drawer boxes are in good condition for smooth operation. A well-maintained and visually appealing drawer system can significantly improve the overall appearance of your kitchen. While often overlooked, cabinet hinges play an essential role in the functionality of your cupboards. Consider replacing worn-out or outdated hinges with newer options that offer improved durability and a sleeker look. Now, let's discuss the hardware. Cabinet knobs, pulls, and handles are like jewelry for your cupboards. Choose options that complement the style and color of your kitchen. If you want to add a modern touch, consider opting for sleek and minimalist designs. Don't forget about the sides and backs of your cabinets. If they are exposed, consider adding decorative end panels or applying a fresh coat of paint or wallpaper. This will create a cohesive and finished look. The cabinet toe kicks, located at the bottom, often go unnoticed. However, you can use this space to enhance your kitchen style. Consider adding toe kick lining or painting them in a contrasting color for a unique touch. Crown molding and base molding can add an elegant and polished look to your cupboards. Consider installing crown molding at the top of your upper cabinets and base molding at the bottom of your lower cabinets. This will give them a finished and cohesive appearance. Cabinet filler strips are useful when you have gaps between cabinets or walls. These strips can be customized to match your cupboards, ensuring a seamless and integrated look. Lastly, let's talk about cabinet lighting. Installing under-cabinet lighting can create a warm and inviting atmosphere in your kitchen. It not only illuminates your workspace but also highlights the beauty of your blue cupboards.